Hello everyone and welcome to the channel Conquer IIT JEE. Before moving to the topic, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below. So without further delay, let's move to the topic. In this video, we will be discussing about the importance of a mentor and mentorship in our lives. Someone has rightly said, mentoring is a brain to pick, an ear to listen and a push in the right direction. Do you know, Steve Jobs credited his charismatic personality to his spiritual mentor Robert Friedland. Max Talmy was Einstein's mentor in his childhood who filled him with curiosity for science. Even Sachin Tendulkar credits his success to his elder brother and his coach Ramkant Achrekar, who solely didn't make him an excellent cricketer but also made him a humble human being. Further, Bill Gates, one of the richest men on earth, was mentored by Ed Roberts. Hence, if all such people needed mentors, then we definitely require a good mentor. So here a question arises, who are these mentors? These mentors themselves are not the most successful people on the planet, as you definitely would have heard the names of Sachin Tendulkar and Bill Gates, but very few of you might have heard the names of their mentors. Now, you might think, then why are these people mentors? The answer is, though these coaches may not be successful themselves, but they have witnessed failures so closely that they can protect you from failing and committing the mistakes they themselves committed in past years. Mentors are important as without them you might move forward, but there's a high probability of yours committing a mistake. Mentorship is not something that you ask somebody, will you be my friend? It doesn't work like that. When you find somebody who's along with you, you share values, spend time with them, you get to know them, you develop trust, you start opening up to them, and then you realize that you have become friends. That's how it goes, and similar is the case with mentorship. Mentorship is something like if you develop it, it will be of great value. And therefore, we have Conquer IIT JEE's mentorship program. If you do not have any guidance, you can enroll yourselves in Conquer IIT JEE's mentorship program, which helps you to boost your self-study with correct planning and strategy, as you will be assigned a one-on-one mentor. Mentoring is important not only because of the knowledge and skills students can learn from mentors, but also because mentoring provides professional socialization and personal support to facilitate success. Further, quality mentoring greatly enhances students' chances for success. If you are an IIT JEE aspirant, you might end up thinking that where to start from. Do you doubt of scoring good marks in JEE and getting a good rank in it? Are you upset and worried that you don't even have a good guidance? At times, we underestimate the importance of good advice, strategy and guidance. When you lack a guide, you tend to listen to your friends and relatives for the advice who actually never gave the entrance examination. As when we don't have any expert guidance, a friend's advice seems to be extremely relevant. In such situation, your ray of hope would be IIT and mentors. They would help you, will make a structured study plan for your JEE exam, will scold you, motivate you, and will always be there for you. Now, it's your time to act and get into BITS Pilani, where your all worries will be conquered. So enroll in our mentorship program, where our mentors will guide you one-on-one every week, will help you clear your backlog. They'll strategize your preparation, and on the basis of your strength and weaknesses will make a realistic study plan for you. After all, Oprah Winfrey has rightly said, a mentor is someone who allows you to see the hope in yourself. For more information and updates like this, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon below so you will not miss any updates from the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.